Hi guys, I'm happy with my little achievement today. I have created a sphagnum moss pole, also a cocoa fibre, a cocoa hash in the bottom. So as you can see, I have glued the sphagnum moss on top, and I've just repotted my lovely golden pothos. As you can see, that lovely golden yellow in its leaves. I have only put this one a couple of days ago, so it's nice and established. 2 pots, and now I've just put it into its very own big pot and the climbing pole. So as you can see, and I just wiped the leaves. It was a little bit wet, so I'm just putting it on the fan just to dry it to make sure. I have mixed my soil with perlite, made premium potting mix, as well as the a little bit of peat moss just to keep the moist in, not too dry. Obviously we don't have that problem at the moment because it's winter. Also the garden bark or orchid mix. So that's what I have done. Because of that mix, the pot and the soil is actually quite light. It's not heavy. As you can see, it's a big pot. But even though the big one is not heavy at all, so, and that's good. It's really good because that's great for aeration and drainage, and of course still got lovely nutrients. And I placed it in a nice bright sunny area, but without having the direct sunlight. Well, it's not completely bright. It's near behind the door, but this is my little sunroom, and the window is just behind me. But this is, the sun doesn't get this far, as in directly, but it's lovely, and they still need, still need sun because they need chlorophyll. So anyway, I have tied my plants in each node near the I tied it near the nodes, so when the nodes come out they can dig into the actual moss pole, which I have tried to do. I've created them, just guide them to go through. There we go. So this is my lovely golden pothos that I have repotted today. Apart from my little bit of disappointment because my monstera borsiginia got rotted. It had a small cut that's got rotting on it, and I just didn't realize it. It's so busy, and it somehow traveled into the main nodes, and unfortunately